Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use actual budget in 2025 step by step. So if you are looking for a privacy focused online offline fast budgeting app that's built for manual control and clarity, actual budget might be the exactly what you need. So without any further ado, let's get started with the full set of uses and key features. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is actual budget. So actual budget is a powerful open source personal budgeting app. It is based on the YNAB, like you need a budget methodology, but with local data, end-to-end encryptions, and extreme privacy. You can use it offline, sync across devices, and even run it self-hosted if you are into tech. It is great for people who want complete control over their money and data. If this tutorial, like in this tutorial, we will use the desktop version, but the web and mobile version work similarly. So to get started, you just need to visit on actualbudget.org, and you just need to click on to the download and choose your platform. It could be Windows, Mac, Silicon Mac, Linux, whatever. You just need to be, I am using the Windows, so I will click over here Windows, and then it will take a couple of minutes, and then I will just click over here to the download. Once I did, then here you can see it already been downloaded. So once it download, you just need to be install the app in your device. So here you can see retrieving information from the Microsoft Store, and here it will take a couple of minutes, so we just need to be wait a bit to complete the process. So here you can see it started the actual download, so we will come back here once it download. So here actually you can see it already open our main page, so it already been done. So once it opens, you will see welcome screen. So you just need to be go over here, configure your server. So you can see this is the local host, and you just need to click over here start. Once it's done, then give a password. It could be anything, so I am going to keep the password in here. Let's say this one will be my password, and just click to the OK. Once I did, then here sign into this actual instance. So you just need to provide your sign in, and then you just need to click from start fresh, or you can view the demo. So I'll click over here, and now it's already been done. So from that place, you can create a new file to start a new local budget. Name your file. For example, I will go over here, and from that place you can see it already been created. So in here, if you want to rename the budget, you can do it. If you click to the more, you will see page, rules, bank sync, setting, whatever you will see in here. Then I will come back to the budget again. So you are now inside the actual dashboard. So let's add bank accounts. So let's add your bank accounts. You just need to go to the accounts. So here all accounts, and just go shift to the account, and here into the sections of the account, you just need to click the plus icon to add a new account. So let's find it out where is our account. So just click to the setting and then find it out. You just need to understand whole thing being synced, and from to use bank sync feature, you must need an add account. Okay, so then you just need to find it out the options. Let's see where is the bank account options we have. So here we all have, and here you can see this is the options. So now you can add the account. So enter the name like checking or credit card, whatever, create a local account, and you can give the name. So I'm going to give the name that will be credit card, and then you can give a budget for whatever you want. Choose the account type, checking service, whatever, and you can see it already been added the credit card. And you can add your current balance manually, unlike apps that auto sync actual makes your import or manually enter transaction, which means more accuracy and awareness. Repeat this for all your accountants. Now into the next step, you just need to set up your budget categories. Now it's time to create your budget categories. Click on budget tab in here, and then you will find out manage categories options in that place. So here You just need to be scroll down. You can add group. If you click over here, you can make a note. You can add budget to 0. You can set budget to 3 month average. So here we have a couple of things. So now you just need to group your categories by type. For example, housing, transportation, groceries, subscription, as we did in here, as food, general, bills flexible, then savings, and many more. So under each group, you can create specific categories like rent, utilities, internet, gas, groceries, Netflix, dining out. You can drag to order, rename, and color code this for better visual. Once it's clicked done, and your categories are ready to use. So here, if you click over here, edit, you will get these things like you can see file, tools, windows, view, like lots of things available in here. You can drag and drop in here. So it's totally an drag and drop editor available, so you can customize it at any time. Then budget your income. So you will allocate your income. You just need to click the budget and at the top you will see available budget. Into the top you will see your available budget in here. Like here you can see this is the available fund. You can set budget to 0. You can set budget to 3 months average. So you have these options. Like I'm going to click over here, this one, set 3 budget, and you just need to add your budget in that place. So you just need to come over here and paste, and you can transfer credit in that place, create a rule. Then start assign amounts to each category, 12,000 to rent. Like here, just come over here and you just need to add. For the food, I'm going to add this one. Then here for general, I will add this. Then for the bills, it will be 50. Bill flexible for 20. And this way you can add savings, like savings, we did savings like that, this one. And you can see, and you just need to add the income in here. Enable auto hold. Like this way you just need to add the income. You can start in business over here. You can add group if you want to add more. So you have these things. Like here, I will come over here and you just need to add the new one. So I'm going to click this 130, and from that place you can add the categories, food, payment, and just click add, and the budget will be the credit card one, and just click add and then give a date. This way you can do the things properly. And here, if you want to add your total budget, you are allowed to add it in here. So this is called zero-based budgeting. Give every dollar a job, keep going until the available to budget reaches 0. This tells actual how you plan to spend or save the money you have, not what you expect. Now you just need to add transaction. In every time you spend or earn, record it manually. Go to the account, select the account type, checking. So you just need to go over here, finance, and you just need to go over here, setting. You can see the settings. So here you just need to add your budget in the account options manually, and then here you can export it. You can add new in your account. Like you just need to fill in the date, then pay. Like you can see, like let's try to create one. Let's say I'm going to select the date, then into the date you just need to select the date, then you have pay in here, and let's say I'm going to add the pay will be Walmart, and then hit enter. Then you can add the note. You can see, give the payment here, the payment 150, account is required field, credit card. Then you can add the deposit $25. This way you already been add this one categories. I added it in here. So in this way you can do your transactions. Like you can add transaction. Actually it will automatically update your category balance. This is where you will see how your budget is saved in real time. Now if I go over here to the budget, you will see the real changes in that place. So now let's go and talk about reconciliation and revolves. So that's it for today. Now you know actually how to use actual budget in 2025, a clean, privacy first budgeting tool that puts you in total control. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.